Aloha, my name is Makalapua Ryder, and I live in Waipio Valley. I went to Punanaleo and Kekulukai Puniwaiao up to 6th grade, and then I transferred into English. I'm going to school right now at Leeward for Hawaiian studies, and I plan to go, well, hopefully, transfer either to UH Manoa or West Oahu. I wanted to tie in my degree with something where I can work with Hawaiian youth and actually youth at risk to be able to help our kids here in Hawaii, and especially on the west side. Hopefully being able to be like something that involves where I'm at now with the Boys and Girls Club, like a youth development specialist, something where I work with these kids. My sculpture I did was actually originally for my Hawaiian 107 class. It was an artifact project, and for that project we had to kind of depict what we view as our culture. And for my project, I identify most with my Hawaiian culture. So my sculpture is basically made of a mannequin head, and on the face I painted half of the face is it's painted with an aha cord, which stands for my family, and the other half was the Hawaiian flag, which represents the Hawaiian culture. On the back of the neck there's a symbol, which is my halau symbol, kukuno kala, and you see a lei on the head, which is a lei I made out of tea leaf and kukui, which represents land, and also hula, because that's our signature lei we make every year. And then on the top of the head there's a piko, and what I try to get with that is with the piko, it's the center, the source, and I wanted to say that all those concepts basically make up my culture, my Hawaiian culture, and that's my center, and that is pretty much what I wanted to say.